Hello, my name is Viviana, your personal health educator. Today I will be teaching you how to use the serving and calorie section of the nutrition label. By the end of today's class, you will be able to locate calories, servings, serving size, and servings per container on the nutrition label. You will also be able to calculate the number of calories in the amount of food you serve yourself using the nutrition label. And finally, you will be able to give at least one reason why it would be helpful to you to read the nutrition label. I have a handout for you to use during this class. You can find the link in the description. Take a moment to pause the video so you can open up the handout and follow along. Now let's begin. Why is it helpful to read the nutrition label? Each one of us may have different reasons why it's helpful to us. For me, reading the nutrition label helps me to make more informed choices on what I eat. What information can we find on the nutrition label? We can find calories, sugars, fiber, and more. When grocery shopping, do you look at the nutrition label? Some of you might have said yes, and others no. You can find the nutrition label on all kinds of food items such as tomato sauce, bread, beans, tuna, and canned corn. The nutrition label has 4 key sections, which are calories, servings, percent daily value, and nutrients. Today we will focus on the top of the nutrition label with servings and calories. The first thing you will see is servings per container right under the words nutrition facts. Servings per container gives us a total number of servings in the entire food package. Some packages of food may contain more than 1 serving per package. Here, you can see that there are 4 servings per container. Right under the word serving per container, in large bold font letters, you can see serving size. Serving size is the amount of food that is usually eaten at one time. Here is a label of a frozen lasagna. The serving size is 1 cup. This means that most people eat 1 cup at a time. You may eat more or less than the serving size in the container. The last part that I want to show you is calories. Notice that right above calories it says amount per servings. This is just a reminder that everything below is only from 1 serving. This frozen lasagna has 280 calories. Now it's your turn to put this information to practice by reading a label. I have a cereal label and you're going to look for the servings per container and the serving size. Please take out your handout so you can complete the activity with me. I encourage you to write the correct answer on your handout. How many servings are in the package? Yes, 17. What is the serving size for this cereal? 1 cup. Now that you know how to find servings per container and serving size, you will do an activity that calculates how many calories there are in a container. Let's take a look at the cereal label again. 1 serving size of this container is 1 cup. I'm going to put this 1 cup on this bowl. On the second bowl, I have what I would typically serve myself. My question for you is, how many calories are there in each of these bowls? Before answering that question, let's briefly talk about calories. What are calories? Calories are the total number of calories or energy you get from all natural sources such as proteins, carbohydrates, and fats in a food or a beverage. As a general guide, most people need about 2,000 calories a day. Your calorie needs may be higher or lower depending on your sex, age, or physical activity level. If you want to find out how many calories you need in a day, check out our link for my plate. Now that we know a little bit more about what calories are, let's go back to our bowls and find out how many calories are on each. The equation we will be using is calories per servings times number of servings served equals total calories. If you eat 1 serving of this cereal, which is 1 cup, you would be eating 140 calories. Go ahead and write 140 calories in the first part of your equation. How many calories are we eating on this second bowl? Remember that the calories listed on the label is for 1 cup serving. Now let's measure how many cups we have on this second bowl. I have 3 cups, which is equal to what? 3 servings. Go ahead and write down 3 on the number of servings served part of the equation. Now that our equation is complete, you can find out how many calories are in the amount of cereals that I served myself. You will multiply 140 calories per serving by 3 servings. What did you get? 420 calories. That means I will be eating 420 calories of this cereal. That is 420 calories out of the 2,000 calories I need in one day. Now that you're getting the hang of this, let's practice some more with the nutrition label on this bread package. How many servings per container do you see? That's correct, 18. What is the serving size? Yes, 1 slice of bread. How many calories in 1 serving? 100 calories. What if you were to eat 2 slices of bread? How many calories would you be eating then? Here's the equation again. You can pause the video to do the math. If you got 100 calories per servings times 2 servings served equals a total of 200 calories, you are correct. Comment right below if you got the answer right. This means you would be eating 200 calories out of the 2,000 calories that you need in one day. Great job! You are now becoming an expert on reading the label. Let's review what you learned today. The nutrition label contains information like calories, servings, percent daily value, and nutrients. This can help us make more informed food choices on what and how much we want to eat of certain food. Can you locate the calories, servings per container, and serving size on the nutrition label? Yes, they are on the top of the label. Can you calculate the number of calories in the amount of food you serve yourself using the nutrition label? I challenge you to find your favorite food at home and calculate the amount of calories you usually serve yourself. Make it fun and practice reading all the food labels that you have at home. Remember, practice makes you more comfortable. Write down the equation so you can practice later. I shared that I like to read the nutrition facts label because it helps me feel more informed about my food choices. Give at least one reason why it would be helpful to you to read the calories and servings. Share with us below in the comments. Thank you for watching. I have enjoyed being your personal health educator. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to share what you learned about what's on a label with your friends and family, and check out our other videos. Don't forget to click subscribe and follow us at PS Buena Cocina on Instagram and Facebook for great nutrition and recipe tips. If you haven't already, click the bell to get notified of our new videos. Until next time, stay healthy.